Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for February 20, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Now, as you see here on the screen, I have two charts up here. The left-hand side is the euro dollar, and you can see it's falling in a downtrend, testing significant lows down into 1.0785, 0765, and been holding here now. This is the third day finding support at the pink zone at the very bottom. On the right hand side, we see the dollar futures index capping out at resistance 99.50, the top of the orange shaded area. So we're reaching a significant high on the US dollar. And both of these, and the US dollar being in an uptrend, the euro dollar being in a downtrend, both of these capping at significant highs and lows for each of these currencies in the currency pair of the euro dollar. And as you can see, whatever the US dollar is doing on the right, we tend to focus on the opposite on the euro dollar. Rising dollar, falling euro dollar. The question, of course, of the week and of the rest of the month of February probably is the dollar ever going to have some sort of correction, retracement, or pullback? Because right now, for the past few weeks, we've seen a significant rally and uptrend for the US dollar, now challenging significant resistance highs into 99.50, which has led again the opposite reaction for the euro dollar, significant fall. We've seen weakness for the euro. The US dollar has been gaining significant strength and just giving a significant downtrend for the euro dollar. So again, the question of the day, of course, and the rest of the week, will the USD continue its rampage higher? Will that affect the euro dollar and continue that downtrend? Or is it time for some correction, pullback, or adjustment for these currencies here over the next few days? In the next day or so, today at least, we're looking at this support for the euro 107.85, 1.0765. Past 2 days, today, third day, holding here as support. If we're going to sell in the direction of trend or look for continued long for the USD, I don't think we want to sell at the bottom of the trend. Selling at the bottom of the trend just doesn't become a fruitful activity. In fact, the past 2 days show that selling close to 107.85 just really isn't a fruitful activity. We haven't seen any profit. If you're going to sell, the best place to sell is some sort of rally to resistance. We would like to see it come up, maybe challenge the black trend line, maybe challenge even closer to resistance, the yellow shaded area, before we'd look for a short opportunity. The only other reason we'd look for a short opportunity is that it finally breaks down through the 107.85-65 level, the pink shaded area, and continues to go lower. So when we're thinking about our trading opportunities, selling the euro dollar right now, maybe just not our most fruitful activity at the current moment, because we're running into a barrier. Think of that pink zone at the bottom of the chart as a brick wall in the market. So selling right now just really doesn't seem like a fruitful activity unless it rallies to resistance or breaks through support. So if we're not selling it, the other opportunity may be looking for intraday buys. We need some evidence of either selling pressure for the USD or buying pressure for the euro dollar before we would look for a reversal. We don't have any evidence of reversal yet. The euro doesn't seem to have any significant buying pressure yet. We don't have higher lows, higher highs. There's nothing really yet here telling us that the euro dollar is going to turn around and go back up. But we could be watching for that over the next couple of days. A sign or signal of reversal back above the black trend line, back above the yellow zone would really be a better idea for that on the upside. And of course, again, we need some evidence that the US dollar on the right hand side is ready to make its correction, retracement, or at least take a breather within the uptrend. Zooming into the euro dollar on the 4-hour time frame, you can see what's been happening over the past several hours, or 2.5 days now. It's just been holding here at the pink shaded area again. So far, again, selling on top of that pink zone just doesn't seem like a good idea. However, pushing through 107.85 may be our next opportunity to look for a short side trade. And it's very similar to what happened here, isn't it? What happened here at the yellow shaded area. It found for several days some support, finally get through 108.35 and eases its way down to the pink zone. Further Profit targets lower are down closer to the 107.20 level. So a break through the pink zone may become your intraday opportunity to go short here for the euro dollar. Really only looking for reversal if we see clear evidence and signs of bullish pressure for the euro dollar this week.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.